Beautiful sunny day out here in Calgary, and guess what? We present to you our newest listing. It's a detached bungalow with 3-bedroom up, 1 bath, legal suite with 2-bedroom, 1 bath, with double detached garage in the back, rightfully located in Dover, 5 minutes from restaurants, schools, you name it. Now let's go inside and check it out. Well, now that you've seen the home, give me a call before it's gone and let's get you your dream home. We'll talk soon.